Hi friends, I'm Tyagiraj. Once again welcome to Tally Spotlight knowledge sharing session. In this session we are going to see how to use go to and switch to option in Tally Prime application. Before getting into the session, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe our channel and click on notification bell to get more and future updates. Let's see practically in Tally Prime application. Now company is loaded, we are in main screen gateway of Tally screen. Under gateway of Tally screen we can able to see list of menu. If you want to get into any particular menu, you can use a down arrow, select that particular menu, click on enter, or we can click on that particular letter which is highlighted in that particular menu. Now we have to open trial balance from the main screen or gateway Tally screen. We can't able to see that option. Normally what we will do, from the main screen click on display more report. Under display more report there is option trial balance. Once get into the trial balance you can see that trial balance information. Similarly other report also we will navigate like this option only. Now what we will do, from the main screen itself we can able to open trial balance or whichever the report you want to open. In the top menu bar we can able to see there is option called go to. Go to option is nothing but it's a centralized search option in Tally Prime application. Go to option is a very useful option where we can able to access any report from across the Tally Prime application. The navigation simplified in Tally Prime new version. By using mouse you can click on that go to option or you can use a shortcut key Alt G. Right now we are going to search for trial balance. Under final account we can able to find here, or we can type the name directly, we can open that particular report. We are in trial balance. Now in between that we want to open another report, click on go to. I'm going to open here balance sheet. Once click on balance sheet or you can type the name balance sheet and enter. Now we are in balance sheet report, but we are not close to trial balance. Now let's see trial balance is closed or not. Click on escape. We are back to trial balance. Go to option we can able to use for multitasking purpose or multiple activity we can able to do. In between that current activity we can able to complete that another activity and we'll come back to the original one. Once again I'm going to enter go to option. I'm going to create a master. You can see here there is a create master. We are going to create a ledger. Ledger name printing and stationery. Under indirect expenses I'm going to press Ctrl A for save this screen. Once click on escape button, we are back into trial balance screen. Let's see one more example. By pressing Alt G we are going to create a voucher. We are going to post one payment entry. Stationery expenses rupees 275 paid by cash. By pressing Ctrl A, accept this voucher. Click on escape. We are in TB. Click on escape, come to main screen, gateway of Tally screen. Let us post one transaction. From the main screen click on voucher. We are going to post one payment entry. By using bank we are going to make a payment to supplier. Here in the ledger list we are going to select that MK distributor. Once enter we can able to see there is a current balance showing 3,30,400. We want to ensure that the amount is correct or not. What we'll do? From the voucher screen click on go to option. We are going to check MK distributor ledger account transaction details. In go to we are going to search ledger voucher, click on enter. We are going to select that particular ledger MK distributor. Here there is only one transaction, that one transaction's value is 3,30,400 only. If you want to see only outstanding bill details means click on bill wise option in the right hand side button bar. Then we can able to see only outstanding bills, which are the bill is pending. Now click on escape, go back to the payment voucher and complete that transaction. Go to option is a very user friendly option. While posting any transaction, in between that we can able to complete the other task, then we can continue that older transaction where we are stopped. Here we are going to make a payment 1,50,000 against the bill number. Mode of payment e-fund transfer. Enter and by pressing Ctrl A and accept the screen. Click on escape and come to gateway of Tally screen. We are in gateway of Tally screen. You want to see all the report means click on expand all. It will list you all the reports. Still you want to see more option, click on show more option. Next, if you want to see inactive report, click on show inactive option. It will list you all the reports in the go to option. Next, we will see switch to option. Switch to option is very useful when we are going to switch over to one report to another report or one task to another task. We are in balance sheet report. If you want to switch over or move to another report, click on Ctrl G. We can able to see there is an option switched to instead of go to. We are going to find outstanding payable or bills payable report. Here we can see the bills payable report. Switch to option is very useful when you are completely moving to another new task. Let's see, by clicking on escape, we can see it will come to Gateway of Tally screen instead of balance sheet. If we use switch to option, when you are moving to any new task, the previous task is closed and we are moved into new task. Let us simplify that go to and switch to option. Switch to option is a one-way option where we can go only one direction. Go to option like two-way option. We can easily move to one direction and opposite direction too. I hope we have shared some valuable information in this session. You may like this session and share with your friends. Please subscribe our channel and click on notification bell to get more and future updates. Thank you for watching Tally Spotlight knowledge sharing session. Stay tuned, every day something new to learn.